Toyota RAV4 2025 versus RAV4 2024. Which model do you like more? In this comparison, we'll explore the key features of the Toyota RAV4 2024 and the anticipated updates for the 2025 model. This information will help you decide which version might be the best option for your needs. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we will compare the Toyota RAV4 2025 with the RAV4 2024 and discuss which model is preferred. Toyota RAV4 2024. Current features. 1. Exterior design. Robust and aerodynamic design. Expanded color palette, including new Army Green for Woodland Adventure and TRD off-road versions. Continues the tradition of TRD Pro Series with impressive off-road capabilities. 2. Interior design. Comfortable and spacious, though not class-leading in size. Toyota audio multimedia system with over-the-air updates. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Up to 5 USB ports in high-end models. 8.0-inch touchscreen standard, 10.5-inch available on higher trims. Optional 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. 3. Technology features. 4G LTE mobile hotspot. Optional JBL premium audio system. Wireless smartphone charging platform available. 4. Safety features. Toyota Safety Sense. 2.5 standard on all models. Features include automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Optional blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. Performance. Various engine options, including hybrid models. RAV4 Prime offers 302 horsepower. Hybrid versions balance fuel economy with smooth driving. Price. Starting at $30,025 for the basic LE model with front-wheel drive. Higher trims like the RAV4 Limited reach close to $40,000. Toyota RAV4 2025. Anticipated updates. Exterior design. Expected to feature a more aerodynamic and aggressive silhouette. Redesigned grille and sharper headlights. New color options and wheel designs. Interior design. Completely redesigned dashboard. Larger central touchscreen. More spacious interior with higher quality materials my car. Customization options for upholstery and trim. Technology features. Advanced driver assistance systems with improved sensors and AI. Enhanced connectivity features. Possible streaming entertainment options. Safety. Features improved Toyota Safety Sense system. Potential addition of 360-degree camera system. Advanced parking sensors. Performance. Expanded hybrid options. Possible introduction of a fully electric model. Improved fuel efficiency in hybrid versions. Potential Prime version with plug-in capability. Price. The estimated starting price for the hybrid model is just over $32,000. Final price may vary based on configuration and extras. Comparison and key differences. 1. Design. 2024. Robust and functional. 2025. More aerodynamic and modern. 2. Interior. 2024. Comfortable with good tech integration. 2025. Expected to be more luxurious with a larger infotainment screen. 3. Technology. 2024. Well-equipped with modern features. 2025. Anticipated to have more advanced tech and connectivity options. 4. Safety. 2024. Comprehensive safety suite. 2025. Expected to have enhanced safety features and possibly new technologies. 5. Performance. 2024. Offers hybrid and powerful Prime versions. 2025. Likely to expand hybrid options and possibly introduce a fully electric Model 6. Price. 2024. Starts at $30,025. 2025. Estimated to start just over $32,000 for hybrid modeling. In conclusion, both the 2024 and 2025 Toyota RAV4 models offer compelling features for SUV buyers. The 2024 model is a proven, reliable option with a good balance of performance, comfort, and technology. The 2025 model, while still speculative, promises significant updates in design, technology, and possibly powertrain options. Your choice between the two may depend on several factors. If you prefer a tried and tested model with known reliability, the 2024 RAV4 might be your best bet. If you're excited about the latest tech features and potentially more advanced hybrid or electric options, waiting for the 2025 model could be worth it. Consider your budget, as the 2025 model is likely to come with a price premium for its new features. Ultimately, both versions of the Toyota RAV4 have a lot to offer, and the best choice will depend on your personal needs, preferences, and willingness to wait for the newest model. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.